Hey kids, this is Mr. Shiv, and this is for all the wholesome math kids that are in 7th grade and 8th grade. And I know I've talked to most of you about how to upload your work on Google Forms a couple weeks ago when you're watching this video. Just by that time, you'll probably have already uploaded your first homework assignment by then. But this is our new way of uploading our work. So what I need everyone to do, and I know most of you kids have access to a smartphone, whether it's Android or iPhone, I do not care. But I need you guys to go to your app store and download Google Classroom. You can see that at the top or the middle of the screen, Google Classroom. Okay, and you're gonna need to once you download Google Classroom, you're gonna need to open the app and then sign in on the Wholesome email that you use to log in on your iPad or your laptop that you're using to access the Zoom meetings, right? So whatever email that is logged in on your computers is the email that you use to log in on Google Classroom. So that is that. So once you guys do that, this is the step on how to upload your work. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Google Classroom, right? And I'm going to show this for the 7th grade class. So this is for all of the 7th graders. When we go in, it's going to take you to the stream screen on the bottom left, right? It says stream. We want to go to classwork. And the latest homework assignment was homework 1 that I assigned. So we're going to click on that. And then right there in the middle of the page, you see that there is a Google form, right? Homework number 1. Now here's the important part. We're going to open this, but we're not going to we're first going to open it. Let's open it first. And usually if you open it, it'll open, if you have iPhone, it'll open in Safari. If you have Android, it'll open in Google Chrome or whatever browser you have on your phone. Okay, so once you open up the Google form, it'll look like this, right? You have the work on the bottom. Now, by this time, right, kids, you should have your work done. Your work should be done by now on your piece of paper. It should be done. You're ready to go. You're ready to hand it in, right? This is the part where we're at. When you go to add file on your phone, right, you're going to click on it. And it's going to prompt you to select files from your device. That's exactly what you want to click on. You're going to select files from your device. And then here's the important part here. Either you're going to click camera, camcorder, my files, gallery, or files, right? It's going to look different on all your phones, but you want to make sure that you're going to click on camera, right? You're going to click on camera so we can take a picture of your beautiful work as Mr. Shiv has done, right? You took a lot of time into taking his time out and doing work for you, right? As you can see. So here's the picture, right? We're going to make sure that we can see all the edges. And then we take the picture, and then we're going to be good to go with that. And then once you're done with that, once you press OK on your camera, you're going to click upload. And then once that's done, right, once that's done, you're ready to go. It's already uploaded, and then you can hit submit, right? Like once you put your email address in, once you type your name, it'll let you submit. But that's basically it, kids. All you got to do is take a picture of your work on your phone, right? Your laptop isn't even required for this. I know last time I said you need your laptop, but this is even easier. All you need is a smartphone. All right, kids. So if you have any other questions, just rewatch this video. All right, have a great day.